सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो भी बंद की ताल है, आहा, यूं ही आया ख्याल है, आहा। बातें हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे कोई हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही। सूरज की बाहों में अपनी जिंदगी, कितने सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।
गुनगुनारे 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 गाना रे, 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 गुनगुनारे 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 गाना रे। मायूसियों के होंगे तार में भेज देना सारे, दंगल शाम का बूंद रात का केक काट प्यारे, सीखा न तूने यार हमने मगर सिखाया रे, दफ्तर दस्तार यार हमने जवा सिखाया रे, आंसुओं का तुरंत चबाते हमने कार मारा रे। गुनगुनारे गुनगुनारे गाना रे, गुनगुनारे 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 गाना रे।
You got that body shining, जैसे हो पहली बारी, सांसें थक जाए जो, कहते चल कर ले तो, चला चला के तो, मस्ती की खोलो खिड़की, जैसे परवाना चलती, आँखों को फिरकी दो, आँखों को ऊपर लो, आँखें को बंद कर दो।
I can feel the excitement and the happiness that you people have today. So, yet another farewell. Year after year, I stand here to bid goodbye with mix of emotions. Little sad, feeling pride and joy to see incredible individuals you all have become. I feel great to be a part of your educational journey. I'm sure you have worked hard, learned, and gathered from here as much as possible to contribute to the world and society further. When you started your school life, you were small, inquisitive individuals who wanted to fly very high with innumerable dreams and immense capacity to touch the sky. I am sure your journey here had been a journey of growth, discovery, and transformation. I believe your teachers have worked wonders and taught you lessons that go beyond academics. You have developed valuable skills, formed lifelong friendships, and created unforgettable memories. Each one of you is unique, having a set of human values that matter. Still, Some of you must have left marks and memories on your teachers. Rajat, Nikhil, Vinay, Kumkum, Prachi, Siddharth, Dhanishtha, Bhumika, Sanskriti, Garvit, the brighter ones and more focused. Aditya, Prince, Paramveer, Sachin, always finding happiness outside the classroom. Gaurang and Arjun, generally struggling with the teachers. Suhani, the expression girl. Rudra, happy-go-lucky. Yukti and Manvi, the dancing divas. Muskan, the sporty sprinter. Yashti, the little pedo. Harshvardhan, the content copier. I'm sorry, creator. And his shadow, Hitesh. And of course, all of you will be remembered by each one of you. Whether I have named you or not, everybody is as important as everyone, you know. The pain of parting is nothing to the joy of meeting again and meeting you as successful professionals, doctors, engineers, teachers, entrepreneurs, and whatnot. Be curious, keep learning, and stay open to new experiences. Be brave, take risks, and believe in yourselves. Be true to your values, passions, and dreams. राह संघर्ष की जो चलता है वो ही संसार को बदलता है. जिसने रातों से है जंग जीती, सुबह सूर्य बनकर वही चमकता है. Knowing your passion for social media, I would love to mention a beautiful line I read somewhere. जिसने भी खुद को खर्च किया है, दुनिया ने उसी को गूगल पर सर्च किया है. Therefore, don't Google search, but be the search on the Google. The world is waiting for your unique talents, perspectives, and contributions. Go forth and embrace the world with happiness. My best wishes for your future endeavors. Love you.
impressive, very good. Nice to see you. उसमें कितना समय और कितना
Sir, first of all, for this I'd like to thank my mother because मैंने personally कुछ effort नहीं किया. I dressed up, I came here. But my mother, she's been at it, finding the best possible suit for me since the past 2 days.
Okay.
And for the cost, I don't know how much was it. That again, my mother knows.
She knows. She managed your
Yeah.
expenses. अच्छा. What are your hobbies?
They're my hobbies. Well, currently, I'll be honest with you. All I do is wake up, study, and then I sleep. But in the past 2 months, I'd say before the pre-boards, my hobbies, I love to play games outside, and I love to read books. That's one thing that was very precious to me.
Any favorite authors you have apart from the academic books?
My favorite book would be Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. That is one book I'd suggest everyone to read. It changed my perspective towards life, I'd say that.
All right. Read some autobiographies also?
Autobiographies. I once read an autobiography about Steve Jobs. Other than that, I'm more into non-fiction books which teach me about life.
Steve Jobs, any peculiar habits of Steve Jobs which you remember? I read, of course.
I think one thing that I remember was before he used to launch any event, before coming on stage, he had this weird ritual. He used to play with his. I don't remember what it exactly was because it was a long time when I read it. But he used to play with something just before he came on stage and announced, say, a new iPhone or a new object to the world.
A lot of people working with him complain that they are getting bad smell from Steve Jobs. So, you remember that incident, no? Well, he became totally fruitarian. He was not eating anything other than fruits. So, one of his Japanese counterparts refused to work with him because he was smelling bad. But that's how he was. And anyway, thank you so much for giving my lucid answer.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hitesh Kumar. I joined this school in 6th standard and I am in 12th science.
What is your goal for life and how would you like? Children, Namaskar. Maybe you have been addressed as children last time because when this morning when I saw you, you all are looking so graceful, handsome gentlemen and beautiful girls. It was really difficult to recognize you. I don't know whom we had been meeting, sometimes in the playfield, sometimes on stage, outside lab, etc., etc. Those faces really have changed. So children, see how time flies. From childhood, you are getting into a new world altogether. And the world is waiting for you youngsters. Children, many of you have spent long years in this school here. You often have found your parents and grandparents talking of school, their schoolmates, friends, teachers, throughout their life. Why? Because we spent long years, 12 to 15 years in the school, as compared to college, where we spent only 3 to 5 years. And we joined school in our formative years, at very impressionable age. Our teachers, the school environment, schoolmates contribute a great deal in shaping of our personality. We can't forget our teachers who are always there to help us, starting from the beginner classes. And the school gives us so much opportunities to grow, to develop, to explore ourselves and the world. It is the same platform which gives us so many chances to showcase our talent, potential, abilities. And here the teachers, they play a very important role in our life. They are always busy in grooming all of us. That is why we say school is a place which we remember lifelong. Teachers gives you lessons for life. They give you art of living. And you students, you really shone this morning, because many of the class children were exhibiting their dress style. They were showing their class teacher's style somewhere. And at some places, I found the class teachers were also influenced by students. I hope you are understanding, because Sushil sir is giving a different look. Commerces, many Allu Arjuns were also seen this morning. The style of Pushpa, and I was amazed to see children. You people have groomed up so nicely. It is a combined effort of all your friends, your teachers, your environment, and of course family also makes a lot of difference. So your children, your teachers have tried to help you out in completion of your syllabus. They were always there to resolve your issues, your problems, whether
for us to see you washing and growing, and therefore it is now time to take your wings off and fly to the greater heights of life. अपने चेहरे से मुखातिब हूँ मैं एक बार और सही, तो अपने चेहरे से मुखातिब हूँ मैं एक बार और सही, आखिर बर्दाश्त बड़ी चीज़ है एक बार और सही। मैं ऐसा भी न था जब मैंने स्कूल का पौधा लगाया था, मैं ऐसा भी न था जब मैंने स्कूल का ये पौधा लगाया था। जवानी का जोश था, सौंदर्य टपकता था, आकर्षण बहता था, और कुछ ज़िंदगी में करने की तमन्ना के साथ आज मुझे बड़ा फ़ख्र है कि मैं इस मुकाम पर पहुंच कर के आपको एड्रेस कर रहा हूं। जिन लोगों को मैंने पहले फेयरवेल दिया है, उनके परिवार लंबे हो गए हैं, अभी उनकी उम्र भी करीब 45-46 तक हो गई। 30 साल तो मुझे इस काम में हुए, और 16-17 की उम्र के ही वो गए थे जब यहाँ से, तो आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं।
you showcased so beautifully. Actually, it was very difficult for judges to make up their minds. आप में इतना अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन था, इतना अच्छा आपने सब कुछ किया, और इवन दोज हु वर इन फर्स्ट राउंड, तो अब इतने सारों को तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि possibilities not there to give our token of love. तो कुछ तो सिलेक्शन करने का एंड आउट ऑफ लेट अस कम टू द गर्ल्स ग्रुप. गर्ल्स गैंग में जो मिस डीपीएस. सो गर्ल्स, डू यू एनी गेसेस? संस्कृति. Congratulations, Sanskrithi. Second title, Miss Versatile. Miss Versatile, any guesses? Manvi. And lady of the evening goes to Aksha. और बहुत प्यार, बहुत अच्छा लगा. And those who are not here, actually I loved the interaction with you, and all of you so smartly, replied all the questions. Thank you very much for your presence.
So now the gentlemen, it's your turn. Let me mention to you that when we award you people with these titles, actually there are many criteria which are considered. It's not only your outfit, it's also how many years you have given to the school, where all you were participating throughout, and how you dress up yourself, and then how you finally present yourselves on the stage. So keeping all that in mind, the titles are given. Okay? So Mr. DPS, Vinay. Mr. Versatile is Rajat Barman. And hunk of the party is Arjun Sharma.